Day 6. Last night I found out that there can be even more pain. Try coughing continuously with burning lungs through the swollen and aching throat. With every cough I make, it feels like a sledgehammer is hitting my aching head. This is unreal. But it is true. And there is nothing I can do to stop it. Already on day 2 or 3, I felt like never before, and now the pain multiplied exponentially. What is this? Who invented this? Who let it loose? No one with a sense of humanity can invent this kind of disease. This burning pain in my lungs has killed me slowly all day. I don't want to die, but this amount of pain is too much. I doze off to sleep between coughs, but it's merely for a few minutes at a time.